Hey, Paleo Nick here. Right now I'm going to show you a quick condiment to add to your culinary quiver. It's going to go fast, so hold on tight. Up next is olive tapenade. Okay, so we've got a mise en place of all of our ingredients here. Kalamata olives. I've got about 1 ounce of anchovies soaked in water, just kind of remove some of the salt. I've got some grain mustard, capers, 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh parsley. We're gonna finish it with salt, pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. So, open up the lid to my food processor, go in with the olives, capers, the mustard, garlic. And I'll drain off these anchovies. Those guys in there. Roughly chop, not that much parsley. Going with that. Lid goes on. Then we're just gonna pulse this. We want to leave this like kind of rough chopped. Don't want to puree it all the way down. And when we get about halfway to where we want to be, which I'd say is there, I'll scrape these down. And then we'll go in with our olive oil on top. There we go. A spoon here for wow, nice and potent. You got the anchovy, but it's not too powerful. I'm not gonna add any more salt though. Just gonna add some black pepper. Little pinches there. Back on for a couple of pulses. We'll call that good. Let's go with then we'll just use our original olive bowl right there. See if we can fit a lot of this back in there. Boom, there we go. You guys approve? Huh? I told you to be quick. All right, so there it is. Kalamata olive tapenade. We're putting this one together because we're working on a second half of our tuna 2 ways, and this one's gonna come into play. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, keep it paleo.